Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So in today's video I'm going to share some important news stock market news. Along with that I will analyze the Nifty Bank chart and we'll discuss the important key levels for next week for the Nifty Bank. So, to know the important key levels for the Nifty Bank and important information, important update about the stock market, stay connected till the end and smash the like button now and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and index level update. So let's start video with the important news coming up today. The important thing, which is actually today, it has come. This news has come that the Trump is threatening the 25% tariff on Apple for manufacturing out of US, means at we can say manufacturing in India, not manufacturing US. So he's threatening the Apple, and he's threatening the 25% tariff he will impose if Apple is not manufacturing in US. So this is kind of like every single day this is tariff. I call it the tariff strike from the Trump. So this is every single day it is happening, it's normal. And he is imposing even his own companies, Apple. And he is imposing on he is imposing tariff on companies, on countries, means everywhere. So this is we cannot say anything about it. This is a news which I have to share. I wanted to share. And the second thing that the dividend, the RBI जो है आरबीआई ने आरबीआई हैज अनाउंस द डिविडेंड टू गवर्नमेंट for 2025. And this they have announced the 2.6 lakh crore of dividend, means RBI has given the 2.6 lakh crore dividend to central government on, or जो कि which is very higher than last dividend. So this is also a very positive news for the government, also for the Indian stock market also, that this is going to boost एक additional income, the same way that you all get the dividend from your stock. So you get additional income. So same similarly the government is going to get this the good dividend from the RBI. Important thing that that update about the stock, which is from the BSE. The BSE stock already has announced the bonus in ratio of 2 is to 1. And today was the record day. 23rd May was the record day for the bonus from the BSE. And today it has come. And not bonus will come after 2 3 days. But the stock का जो आज एक्स डेट था 23rd में, तो BSE का that price has reduced with the amount. And that is was 2 is to 1. So if you are having one share of the BSE, you will get two additional share from the BSE, and now you will have three share. Okay, you got it. You will get the additional share in your demat account. So this was the BSE important news, bonus news. और इससे तो जो BSE का प्राइस है रिड्यूस होके 2300 मीन्स 2300 2400 अराउंड आ गया है, विच वॉज अर्लियर ट्रेडिंग ऑन 7000 अराउंड. तो उस हिसाब से प्राइस भी रिड्यूस होता है. इफ यू आर गेटिंग बोनस और स्प्लिट और anything, you will get the price reduced by that amount. तो अभी ये चीज द इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट अबाउट द BSE stock and important news also. So these two three thing important. And if we talk about the Q4 results, last week the important result came like Astral and Sun Pharma, which has not posted good result. And the ITC, they have also announced the dividend. You can go through the whole result Q4 earnings. ITC and ONGC and yes, Ashok Leyland का अच्छा result है. They have posted very good profit and very good Q4 earnings. These three four important company has posted their Q4 earning in this week. These all important update which I wanted to share with you all. And now we'll definitely go to the Nifty Bank chart. So see, I am now on in Nifty Bank chart. You can see this chart. I have drawn this trend line, this parallel range, you can see, or this important support which I always keep drawing it. So this support is there, and you can see, I want to give your attention here that this trend line I have drawn, and this trend line, this range that Nifty Bank is trading within this range, was trading within this range from here, like on from 21st April of 25, 21st April say it was trading in this range from here to here, and taken resistance, or you can see from here and then lower low, and then here then lower low, और यहाँ से फिर ये जो यहाँ तक आया, then it came here, and here it has given a good breakout. You can see this candle from here, it has given a breakout, okay, on 15th of May. 21 अप्रैल से it was 21st April, from since 21st April it was trading within this range, this is small range, this narrow range, and after touching here which was support, you can say this support was also this, which I have drawn the line, the important support from here to here, this was the 53,600, 53,600 का ये important support line भी था, and this range, this trend line support भी यही था, which was 53,600. So 53,600 was the very important support which Nifty Bank has taken this day, which was 9th May, and from 9th May it was continuous, it went here, tried to give the breakout, could not give, then again back. This day on 15th May it has given a clear cut breakout, and from here it has retested, you can see here again retested this trend line. See, you have to understand this analogy, technical analysis analogy, because see, from after giving breakout it has retested, how beautifully it has retested also from here. See here, it has just touched this trend line support which I have drawn here, and from here, and then from here again, next to next day, this day was pause, no good movement, but here from here it has again taken support here, support, and from here again it is it has taken reversal to this range, but still it is in if you see, अभी भी इसका एक रेजिस्टेंस है जो कि आई कैन सी हियर, विच इज important resistance is 55,650 or 700, we can say roughly 700. So 55,700 around, still it will face a small small resistance, 55,700. If 55,700 has been broken, तब फिर ये अगेन इट विल टेस्ट इट्स ऑल टाइम है, विच इज 56,100, अराउंड 56,100, यस 56,100 भी टेस्ट करेगा आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग दिस 55,700. तो दीज टू important resistances there which I'm telling two important key resistance which you should be mindful. You should be mindful with these two resistance, because in final resistance I will tell only one resistance. So this two resistance will be, अगर support में देखें तो if we go to support, अभी तो इसने breakout दे दिया, retest भी कर लिया, तो we can see this important support will be 54,600 around. If we say round figure, we can say 54,600 exactly. 54,600 पे this trend line is giving the Nifty Bank के support, और जो कि 20 Nifty Bank का 20 EMA भी है, blue, this blue line, you can see this blue line and this trend line, how beautifully both this blue line and this trend lines intersecting each other. तो ये बहुत ही important support बन जाता है. Okay, so this blue line and this trend line is giving a very good support to the Nifty Bank, which is 54,600, roughly a round figure I am giving. Okay, 54,600. I don't feel if Nifty Bank should break, but yes, there's as a this is the news era. तो अगर कोई फिर से news आ जाती है, if any bad news is coming, it will definitely break this level also. But I don't find why should it break without any reason. My technical analysis says that if nothing happens, no bad news, no nothing happens, so Nifty Bank should not break this important support, which is 20 EMA also, and this trend line support also 54,600. But still break कर देता है, तो I have the important support already there, which I kept trying this line, which is 53,600. Okay, so you keep this level in mind, you be mindful this level of 53,600, but my level for the week, for the short term, is only 54,600. So these two three level is very important. I told this range is very important, you should see and keep this range in your mind, how it has given a break on and retested also, all I have explained in detail. So for me the important level should be for the Nifty Bank support 54,600, and resistance of course 55,700, and after breaking 55,700, of course the all time high 56,100. So for me the Nifty Bank level I have shared and analyzed the chart also, and I have shared the important information about the stock market and important stock in news, the bonus news about the BSC. And I will repeat the level again for the Nifty Bank for the next week. Support 54,600, resistance 55,700, and then 56,100. So do not forget to like and share the video with others also, and subscribe the channel for these kind of regular stock market update and index level update. I'm going to post the video for the Nifty 50 key level also for the next week, and important stock market update also, and global market update tomorrow on Sunday. Please watch that video also. And this is for the Nifty Bank key levels. And yes, subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and index levels update. Signing off.